This is another Fox News alert. 102 days after healthcare.gov went online, the Obama administration is getting rid of the contractor responsible for creating and launching that website. This on a day when Republicans and Democrats on Capitol Hill put new pressure on President Obama to tighten the security provisions in his namesake healthcare plan. Chief National Correspondent Jim Engel with the still developing news that started breaking late this afternoon.
While touting the number of sign-ups for Obamacare and hailing the success of the system, the administration is suddenly dumping its chief contractor, CGI.
I guess the real question to the administration is, which is it? Is it working fine or isn't it? And if it is working fine, why do you need to change contractors?
Others say the administration delayed the regulations so long it made it difficult for any contractor to do the job.
The Obama administration was so afraid of dumping all these regulations in terms of Obamacare's exchanges out before the election was over, because they knew that these regulations would be unpopular.
Administration officials refused to shed any light on this today, referring only to ongoing changes and repairs in healthcare.gov.
Obviously, the White House has been and is very engaged in that process. I'm telling you that when it comes to the status of a contract, I don't have an answer. I would refer you to CMS. It's a CMS contract. And if CMS has more information to provide, they will.
But CMS, the Center for Medicare and Medicaid, was equally vague, issuing a statement that said, quote, "We are working with our contract partners to make a mutually agreed upon transition to ensure that healthcare.gov continues to operate smoothly for consumers."
This is more political than anything else. They know that they have to look like they're doing something to make the exchanges better.
They tell us, oh, everything's fixed. But really, it's not, because we got to go hire someone else, a new independent contractor, to do the to service this and get it working the way we thought it was going to.
All this comes on the same day the House passed a bill that got 67 Democratic votes to force the administration to notify people of any security breaches that might expose their personal information.
They knew this thing had problems. They launched it anyway. You launch it, and you put millions of Americans' personal information at risk.
So after months of complaints and hearings about the disastrous rollout, the administration waited until after implementation of the law before taking action against those who managed it. Brett?
Jim, thank you.